Hey guys, welcome back. This opening unboxing is for the October 2020 Japan crate, the premium. It is purple this month, which is super cute. I think the Halloween one is one of their most popular crates. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is what it looks like. Again, each box comes with a little booklet. We'll start with this one. It looks like a little DIY. Let's see. Oh yes, that one right there. Ooh, lemon strawberry. Ooh, okay. Wow. I feel like the packaging is like on another level for Halloween. We'll go with this one. I think, yeah, I have tried this before. These are the strawberry ones. Very addicting though. Once you can't stop. We'll go with this one. Ooh. So this one is chocolate. They haven't had chocolate for a few months, so I'm very excited that there's a few chocolate items in here. We'll go with this one. Ooh. It's slightly melted, but it's okay. It's still good. This one is, am I just not seeing this? Oh, I think it's this one, the pie. Ooh, biscuit covered in rich chocolate. Ooh. Okay, let's go with this one. This one is, oh, right here. Biscuit. Ooh, another chocolate item. I love chocolate. So cute. Let's go with this one. So this one is Monster Stamp, funky color, inspired candy. Happy Halloween. Haichu mini pieces. Oh, this one looks like just like a regular gummy. I'm not sure what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like a bat, maybe? Monster Party gummy. And then this one. Ooh. Feels like a biscuit. It's very soft. Well, not soft, but like crunchy. That was the total opposite of what I just said, but umambo. So it's a corn puff. Okay, I'll go with this one right here. It's like some type of hard candy. Oh, this is the zombie gum. It turns your tongue blue. Okay. Oh, here, we have a few more small pieces. So this one is the blue gum. Wow, oh, a lot of blue gum themed. So cute. Let's go with this one. This one, soft. This one is, oh my gosh, where is it? Okay. Oh, another gum. Monster Energy. Whoa, a tingling energy drink taste too. Excited to try this one. Super sour flavor. Oh. Okay. We'll go with this one. Ooh. I wonder what flavor. Oh, it's great. Let's see what the subscription. Chocolate filling. So I think 2 months ago they had the watermelon one and it was super good. So I'm excited to try this flavor. Okay, we'll go with this one. There's a lot of it in here. I think these are the Laffy Taffy from their social media. Let's see. Oh, so there's a lot of different flavors. Chewy candy. Super cute. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3 in the bottle. These are like full size. I don't know if you can see, but they're full size. Let's go with the Mickey Mouse because I love it. So cute. So these, oh, they come in, even the individual packages are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So these are sweet biscuits. Wow. Ooh. I probably will keep the packaging, to be honest. This one is super cute. Wow. This one, cheddar cheese flavor. Ooh. Okay. Love the details. It's so cute. I've said cute so many times, but it is true. Their packaging's on another level. Caramel corn. This one is this one. Oh, pumpkin pudding. Ooh, I love pumpkin. Ooh, I'm very excited to try this one. And then last but not least, creme brulee. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's creme brulee. Creme brulee has been one of my favorite desserts ever. I tried making some the other day, but it wasn't that good. But yeah. I've never had like creme brulee like in a drink form though, so this is gonna be interesting to try. Oh, I think it's a limited edition also. Ooh. So yeah, this is what so far for the October crate. Oh, it's even the bottom is so cute. I wish they came with like some coloring pencils that we can color these in, because I keep these and reuse them for like Christmas presents or a birthday gift or something, because these are so cute. But yeah, this is what I got for my October subscription. Oops. And I'm so excited to try all of these. See you next time for the November. How to think about that. November subscription. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hey guys, so here's another video clip. I apologize if I sound really tired in the earlier clips. It was because I was staying up all night studying for exams today, so. But I wanted to record it, oh my gosh. I wanted to record me unboxing it before I start eating it. So, yeah, so pretty. Oh my gosh. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next month's unboxing.